Maintaining proper hygiene is crucial. Take a shower every day using a good quality soap or body wash. Pay special attention to areas like your underarms, feet, and groin, as those are prone to sweat and odor. Remember to thoroughly clean and rinse these areas to eliminate bacteria and sweat buildup. Having the right deodorant is a big factor to smelling fresh. If you have the right deodorant, it can have your body smelling so good that people will think you have on some type of cologne. Selecting the right fragrance is essential. Try to find a cologne that you'd like to make your overall scent. Remember, a little goes a long way, so avoid overdoing it. Apply a small amount to your pulse points, such as your wrists and neck, and let the scent develop naturally. Carry some essential items with you. Keep a pack of wet wipes or face wipes handy to quickly freshen up your face, neck, and underarms. It's good to maybe keep some Blistex on you as well. Additionally, consider carrying a travel-sized deodorant or a cologne to reapply when needed. Pay attention to your clothing and laundry. Your clothing can contribute to your overall freshness. If you're wearing the same outfit or even underwear for a lot of days, well, that can lead to you giving off a bad scent. Make sure your clothes were freshly cleaned right out of the washer. Another thing you want to keep fresh is your breath. You should invest into a mouthwash that can keep your breath smelling fresh for at least 24 hours. Following all these simple tips will help you smell fresh all day. I also made a video about the most complimented fragrances for men, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and then head on over to the next one if you want to learn more things about self-improvement.